Ruihang and Leo Borromeo ready to go head-to-head in this best of 5 sets of first to 3 solves. Competitors will alternate starting solves and starting sets. Leo, with the faster median in the previous round, chose to start second. Oh, and Ruihang is smooth to start, a very nice 536. No pauses, great turn speed, putting it all together for a great start to this match. And establishing a high bar to start for Leo to match or beat. Leo has the yes drink with him today. Oh, and it's a good solve by Leo, but a bit locky throughout, so Ruihang takes the first solve. Oh, and Leo's got a very nice F2L into the ZBLL, 571. Oh, and some huge pauses for Ruihang, some lockups in the F2L, and it's not going to be enough. And so we see those struggles return for Ruihang as Leo ties up the first set. With a very nice 554, making it look easy. Just so effortless with the speed and the fluidity. Leo messing up Leo messing up every part of that solve, and not even solving the cube in the end. Ooh, and Leo running into some rough last layer cases after a fantastic F2L. Still throwing down a sub 6, but he's got to be feeling unlucky about those last layer cases. And Ruihang will hope for something better. It'll be interesting to see in this match, Ruihang is white-yellow only and Leo is color neutral. Oh, and Ruihang was not able to solve the cube in time, so Leo tying up the set. Oh my goodness! A beautiful 405 flying through the solve. Leo can't beat a 405 on demand, unsurprising, and Ruihang takes the first set 3-2. Oh, and that was a quick start, but a pause in the middle. Some lockups in the end, so 649 for Leo. Not what he'd hoped for. But he got off to a quick start. The question is, will Ruihang be able to carry his quick start all the way through? Oh, and Ruihang is smooth. Smoothly with a 6 flat, taking the first solve. Oh, and it's a fantastic F2L by Ruihang, up 454 full step. And the speed is unbelievable. Rocketing through a 454. Oh, and a fumble for Leo, and it's already over before he's even started the solve. My goodness. Oh, and it's a fantastic F12 for Leo. A fluid transition into a 478. Stepping it up. My goodness. That efficiency in the F2L was incredible, and he did not stop going into the last layer. Putting the pressure on Ruihang here to keep up his ludicrous speed. He's got the turning. Does he have the efficiency? Not quite. A 519, and Leo taking the solve. And Ruihang's bad solves in this match have been a lot better than in his previous matches. Oh, Leo's got a great green F2L. Can he transition quickly enough? And not quite, and Leo is gonna lose that solve. Ruihang taking the second set 3-1. Ooh, and Ruihang a bit lucky. A few mistakes. And Leo's gonna need to beat a 626 here to give himself any chance in this match. Already 2 sets down. Needs to win as many solves as he can here going forward. Oh, and the ZB is too slow, a 656. Ruihang taking the first solve. Wow. This turning is just so fluid today. 567. And Ruihang is just not giving Leo any chances here. It's crazy. That solve had so many moves, but Ruihang sped through it in 5.44 seconds. Leo needs a 543 or better to stay in this match. Oh! Just missing it. A few too many pauses for Leo, and Ruihang takes the match 3-0, winning the final set 3-0. My goodness. A dominant performance by Ruihang. looking good going into the playoffs.
Well, yeah, this match was really cool. Glad to be on here to talk to the competitors one last time after the round robin uh, series of this competition is over. I guess this competition has determined the seeds for the next stage of the competition. But first thing I want to ask you guys is it's nighttime in Asia. How do you feel about competing at nighttime?
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So,
I'm asking him in Chinese, so yeah.
hmm.
So, yeah, Leo, how do you feel about competing so late at night? Is this
I mean,
something you're used to?
it's not. I mean, I've only been like competing past 5 p.m. For the past year, so definitely something I had to get used to for
Mm-hmm.
these online comps.
Uh-huh. I
Uh,
remember
yeah,
you won cubing at home at like 4 a.m. your time, right?
like no, like 8 a.m.
8 a.m.? Okay. Yeah, you've definitely pulled some pretty impressive feats of no sleep. uh, 哦，听不见，我可以再说一下，我就问，亚洲已经是晚上了，你晚上10点比赛感觉如何？
我感觉状态还可以，但是我早上9点左右的状态可能会更好。
So I asked him the same question, like, it's 10 o'clock in Asia. How does he feel competing at night? And he said, 10 p.m. is not too bad. He felt his condition was pretty good, but he was feeling better at 9 a.m. his time. So that's kind of, what's going down in Ruihang's place. So, Leo, now that this match is concluded, you are the fourth seed in the semifinals. You will face off against Maddie. How do you feel about that match coming up?
I know Matty is quite fast. Can both of us are basically the same speed, and both of us can get bad times sometimes. And yeah, the semifinals match is something definitely something I'll definitely look forward to.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And this was the last round robin competition in this season of Monkey League. After you've competed with everyone, how do you feel? And who do you consider your toughest opponent?
I mean, my considering their form before this match, definitely Ruihang. I definitely wasn't expecting him to average mid 5 against me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's my answer.
Okay, cool. 今天是循环赛最后一个比赛，与大家比完后感觉如何？你有感觉谁是最强的对手吗？
我感觉大家都很强，就是看发挥和心态。
So I asked him, now that you've competed against everyone in a round robin format, who does he consider the most difficult opponent? And he's like, everyone. It just depends on how they execute on any given day. But I guess that's just the reality of Monkey League. So 今天赢了，恭喜你，进了半决赛。现在你是3号种子，跟Timon 会比一个。这个半决赛的比赛比较长，总共可以比7局，看谁先赢4局。你认为这个更长的比赛对你更好吗？
我感觉可能会比较好，因为就
Sorry，我这个最后一个听不太见。
我感觉可能会比较好。
Okay. So I told him that in the semis he's against Timon, and the semis is a little longer. It's first to 4 out of 7 sets, and does this long format, like, how does that make him feel? And he said he actually thinks the long format will be advantageous to him. Perhaps it's, he gets more time to acclimate and to adjust. So, that's about it. I think it's getting late in Asia, so definitely don't want to take up too much of your time. Really excited to see what happens next, and good luck. You guys are both semi-finalists. 今天看起来这个状态蛮好的，不太紧张。我们希望你这个半决赛可以发挥的非常好。加油。
好的，谢谢。
And yeah, good luck, guys. Thank you.